My name's Jim Hallowell. I've been working on vehicles for most of my life. Here at Gateway Bronco for quite a while now, and before this I was building cars in my own shop. I was very impressed by what's going on at Gateway Bronco. I think that we are at the top of the food chain when it comes to Broncos. The facility is obviously giant. Start to finish, everything's done in-house, and it's neat to see it go from old to new all under one roof. Seth, he's been in a lot of different things. Fords in general are his passion, his core, and doing this it's not coming to work every day. It's truly what he loves, and that's the way I feel about doing it too. I love working for somebody that loves to do it. He's put a good crew together. All the guys that work here are very easy to get along with. Everybody meshes pretty well, and we're still looking for more guys, and as the business grows, that's going to grow, but it's going to take some talent to get in the future for sure. I do what I do because I love it. Seeing these vehicles go from nothing to something amazing, it's what I love, and there's nothing I'd rather do, and I think Seth knows that. I think that's why he called on me, and that's why I'm here.